so we're outside. And Carter's a tractor driver. And Ashley's still taking a nap. And Reagan is over here. It's a nice day, so she just has a light jacket on like me. She has some water. Her bottle. She has her little elephant and blankets. So she's in there. There she is. Yes. So she's looking really cute, but she's in her stroller. So, yep.
Let me do it.
Okay. Don't let him fall.
Not.
Or go off the cliff thing. Oh, look at his little knee. Right over there.
He's going rock climbing.
Is he gonna jump it? Please don't say is it? Don't let him fall, Brant. Brant likes Carter the most. Do you like Carter the most? Oh God, he's about to fall off. Here, I'll hold him. Whee! There. Oh, geez. Ready? Breathe. Woohoo!
Yeah, we're gonna go on the.
Whee! Oh God. Okay. Wow! Oh my gosh! I caught him! I got him! Yeah, I got him. And the shoe's about to fall off. Have to fix that. Yep. Come here. Now let's fix your shoe. He's like, fix my shoe. Oh, I think I have his shoes on backwards. Do I have his shoes on backwards? I don't know. There, I think I do. Oh my gosh, don't fall. Yes, it is a warm day, so I have capris on and boots. How nice is that?
It doesn't look warm, but it is.
Yeah, it's pretty warm, but it's cloudy. So I don't know if it's supposed to...
It wasn't cloudy in the morning.
Yeah, it was really sunny this morning, but it's not now. So I think that's right, right? I think that's right. Okay, let's get back on your tractor, which is over there and it's flipped. Do you see it? It's right there. Oh well. Here, he can sit on the bench. He can sit on the bench while I ride this thing over here.